Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and today I'm going to show you how to remove an awkward coolant hose or radiator hose. What you're going to need for this is a couple of picks. Yeah, these are £3 from Halfords. You get another couple, and you also get some silicone spray. If it's not that awkward, then you can use a screwdriver, but in this case it's pretty awkward. But yeah, let's get to it. So a lot of YouTube videos, they will do an easy to get to one like this, okay? But these are really awkward. These are on the oil cooler, okay? As you can see, they're really quite hard to get off. So first things first, what we're gonna do is just get a pick and just free up on the inside of one of these hoses, like so. I'll just zoom in a bit there. As you can see, just start freeing it up a bit. Once it's the pick sort of in, you get the silicone spray. I'm just going to give it a little spray around there and spray around this one. And you're just going to feed the spray around with the pick, and then you're going to wait about 15 minutes for it to settle in. So just feed that round. It's important not to use WD-40 if you want to reuse these hoses. To be honest, if you're going to use WD-40, you might as well cut the hoses off anyway. But yeah, and you just feed it round, and then come back in 15 minutes time, and then we'll re-pick it, and then we'll go from there. We should pull off. Another step you can do is get some pliers where the barb is and twist it. As you can see, a bit of liquid's coming out now, so that should push. You don't have to twist it too much. It should pull out in a minute. And you can see it's moving, but yeah, I'm just going to keep going, I think, and then yeah, it should come out. So yeah, I did get it off. As you can see, there's a bit of a barb on this one, so that's probably why it's difficult. Now I've got to do this one. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. So yeah, just to recap: pliers, silicone spray, and some picks.